things you didn't know. There's a spell check in Microsoft Edge. Do you do a lot of typing on websites in those text boxes, like forms and other places where you need to have that spell check and you don't want to type it in Word first and copy and paste over? Don't worry, you can turn on spell check in Microsoft Edge. What you need to do is launch Microsoft Edge, navigate to the ellipses in the upper right hand corner, and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, navigate to Languages, and then toggle Enable Spell Check on. That's it. Now you can take advantage of having spell check anywhere that you're typing in Microsoft Edge. Have a great day.